Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Nikki here again with another nails tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how I created this look, and I'll be using a bit of a glow acrylic to create this look as well, and I'll show you how I get the glow acrylic to have that see-through look, or it's look like it's floating above the acrylics. Stay tuned guys. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment if you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day. So here I'm going in with my drill and I'm doing my cuticle work. You would normally do your prep first and make sure everything is normally clean and ready before you start your foundation. So I've already done the filing and the taking off the cuticle and the dead skin cells. So I am using the drill bit to clean the rough part of the cuticles and to have a nicer look. Here I'm going in with my form and I'm bending the form like that to give it a nice C curve so I don't have to pinch the nails. And I normally like to close the edge of the form before I actually put the form on the finger. So here I'm priming the nails guys. I normally prime twice, but I'm doing one first and then the other as I'm about to put the acrylic on the nails. Well, I'll do the acrylic across the 5 fingers and then I'll file into shape and get ready for my actual design. So here I started off doing this black nail at the index finger, and then I remember, no, this is not what I wanted to go here. I had a brain freeze guys and I forgot what I was doing and I ended up using purple and I didn't like it and I took it off, and I've still got a bit of purple left on the nails and I got so frustrated. I was about to say no more video, but then I thought, let me just continue. So I've corrected myself and now I've found the design that I've liked. So this is it guys. On the index finger I use the ombre black and green, and then I use a unicorn paper to put over all the fingers as well. And I've got 2 ombre nails and I've used the unicorn paper to accent those nails as well. The ring finger is a solid black nail with unicorn paper and a bit of string or fiber, I think it's called fiber. So I've cut those up into small pieces and I placed it into a little dish, and then I use my clear acrylic and apply these as I go along. So here on the thumb, I decided that I'm going to use just a little bit of the bright color, the neon greeny yellow acrylic, and I dabbed it across the nail. Then I went in and used a bit of black to kind of give it that a marble effect, I guess it was. But I had a total blank guys. I didn't know what I was doing. I ended up making a heart shape on the nail using the wet acrylic, and I formed the heart out as it dried, and I made sure that I used the base of the brush, or the middle of the brush and the tip of the brush, to tilt the acrylic back so I could form a nice curvy heart. And it came out quite well because it looked a bit vintage, so I kind of like the look of it. Then I packed the middle with the unicorn dust and a bit of glow powder to make it pop when it's in the dark. And I went around using more of the neon acrylic around the heart, and I added a few black acrylic powder across as well to make it look a bit more marble. So here on the pinky finger, I've reversed the nail over. Well, I've turned the nail over, and I've put just a little bit of clear acrylic on the base of the nail. Then I dab the glow powder in the clear acrylic and kind of just gently blend it in. Then I added a bit more clear acrylic on top to seal that in, so the glow would be under the nail instead of on top of the nail. I did this on the pinky, and I also did this on the index finger, but on the index finger I did it on the top because the color was opaque. Here I'm going in to encapsulate the nails, but I'm just wetting the acrylic with the monomer just to make sure that there's no air bubble in when I go in with the clear acrylic. It just slides on and it adheres to the nail correctly. I'll do this across the 10 fingers, but I'm only doing 5, so you'll get the gist of how I encapsulate my nails. Change the angle so you could get a proper look of how I encapsulate my my designs with clear acrylic. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. You can see where I had gone in to do purple nails and end up doing a bit of a green black kind of nails. But these things happen as technicians. You start off with one color and then boom, you've got a vision or you've got an idea and it just pops in your head and you thought, ooh, I don't like this look, let me change it. I like the way this looks, and this is how it looks after the encapsulation. Now I'm going in with my coarse drill bit, and I'm filing the nail across all 5 fingers, and then I'll be buffing and I'll be top coating. Decided that I'm going to use the gel on this finger, and I'm going to show you a neat little trick that I just thought of. Instead of using the acrylic, I put the gel top coat under the finger, and then I'll dust the glow powder on, making sure it covers all the area where I put the gel top coat, and then I'll let that set for a few minutes. I'll top coat the whole finger, and I'll turn that over and I'll top coat under there and let it dry under the lamp for 2 minutes. This gives you the same result as the acrylic with the glow powder. But I just thought it's a quick way of doing it instead of mixing it. Just put a bit of top coat on or hard gel, sprinkle it on, and then put another layer of top coat or hard gel on, just a thin layer. Then seal it, and then you've got your glow up nails. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day or good night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.